and Aubrey was her name. A not so very ordinary girl or name, but who's to blame for a love that wouldn't bloom, for the hearts that never played in tune, like a lovely melody that everyone can sing. Take away the words that rhyme, it doesn't mean a thing.
Surprise! Mommy, we love you. Happy birthday, hey. Hello. Happy birthday, Mommy. Mommy, we love you. We love you.
Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday, Aubrey Andy Guzman from Mark Lionel de Guzman.
Happy birthday, Tita AA.
Hi Tita AA, I just want to greet you the happiest birthday. You are now turning 40. I cannot believe it because you do not look 40 at all. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat, all of your support and all of your wishes to me. And to reciprocate it po, I also wish you all the best. And I just saw Zion's pictures po na he just went to school po. And I'm very proud of him. And I'm also very proud of you po because even though late na, you are still a very good mom to him. And ayun po, thank you so much po for all you've done for me. And I hope that I can do the same po when I've become capable of giving back to you po. Yun lang po. Thank you po. Happy birthday po ulit!
Happy birthday!
Tita AA.
Wishing you more years to celebrate.
Stay healthy and have a great career.
And we love you.
Hi Tita AA, happy birthday! We wish you more birthdays to come and good health and always stay safe. I love you all!
Happy birthday po, Tita Ann.
Hi Han, happy birthday. Sabi nga nila, life starts at 40, so praying you all the best when it comes to your career, family, sa atin dalawa. Just enjoy your life no matter how hard it is or no matter how easy it is. Parte talaga ng buhay yan. Huwag ka makalimot mag-pray. Siyempre, sentro dapat natin lagi si God. And thank you for being the mom of Zion. Happy birthday. I love you with all my heart.
Happy birthday, Tita AA!
Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Love, 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 Alpha!
Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay!
Happy birthday, AA. God bless you. Good health and more blessing to come. Regards sa inyong lahat dyan.
Happy birthday! Hey! God bless you! More 40s. 40s ka na eh. Kaya nga sabi life begins at 40, ganun. At saka salamat sa lahat-lahat ng tutulong mo sa akin. Sa bagay, wala nang katapusan yan. Pasalamat lagi. Okay. Happy birthday ulit.
Ano po, Ate AA? Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Ate AA!
Birthday, Ate AA.
Hi, Ate AA. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate AA!
Happy birthday, Ate AA.
Enjoy your day!
See you soon.
Good job!
Happy birthday, Ate AA. Ingat po palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate! Happy birthday, Ate! Happy birthday, wish ko sa'yo na a joyous birthday. More candles to blow. Enjoy mo yung araw ng birthday mo kasama mga loved ones mo. And hopefully, sa mga darating pang panahon ay tuloy kang bigay ka palakasan, strength sa family mo, sa mga problema na marating. Patuloy kang hingay ng Panginoon. God bless you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday! God bless you. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mare. Thunders na tayo. I wish you all the best. Peace and love. Peace for all that you are in blessed. Sana. Wishes mo. Wishes mo. Celebrate tayo. Happy birthday.
Hello, Aubrey. I know it's your birthday, so I shall greet you a happy birthday. Sana hindi ka makakalimot kahit wala na yung best friend mo na si Amor. Lagi niya siyang isama sa iyong mga dalangin. At natutuwa naman ako, hindi kayo nakakalimot sa akin. This is just a simple message I wish to impart. To greet you today is the least I can do. For it is a part of what I wish for you. I wish you happiness that life could ever bring. May you cherish the dreams you also think. On this day, Aubrey, hear from me a little advice. Count the days that are ahead, not the days that have passed. And live your years of love life. Be carefree and joyful. Be young at heart. May your cup of joy be full to the top. May your years be lovely and reach twice 50 together with your loved ones. Once more, happy Natal Day. Amor is also wishing you from heaven a happy Natal Day for you.
Hi, Mare. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best things in life. You deserve the best things, all the best things in life. And thank you sa lahat. Ano mo yan? I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Hey! Happy birthday, dude. And I'm so excited to be part of this video, Wow, may pa-intro. Kala mo naman. So anyway, I'm just here to say that I wish you all the best in life. I wish you all the happiness and joy that, this life can bring you only because you deserve the best. Walang halong arte yun maarte talaga ako. Anyway, walang halong eme yun. Totoo lahat yung sinasabi ko because you are one of those very few people that I know that has the purest heart ever. A little mataray, maldita, but then again, we all are. I just want you to know that I count myself lucky to have you in my life as my BFF. And we've been BFFs for how long na? 18? No, hold on. 21 or 20, around 18. Did I just say that? Okay, it's not. Hanggang lang tayo nagbibilang? Hanggang 30 lang tayo. Edad natin hanggang 30 lang. I'm so happy that even if hindi tayo magkasama, we'll find a way soon. We can celebrate over coffee. Arte. Anyway, thank you for your friendship, man. Thank you for the love. I truly hope that you'll get whatever your heart is wishing for. I wish you all the happiness, the peace of mind, serenity, and tayo pag medyo late 20s na yung edad natin, like ngayon, yun yung mga wish natin.
again. Sorry that I can't be with you right now. But then again, here's the video. We'll find time. We'll make time. Pagbalik ko na. Okay? So you take care of yourself and thank you for sharing your family with me. Because I love them so much. Ayan. And you're a blessing to them. You're a blessing to all of us too. So just don't let your heart be burned by the bad things and tragedies in life. So I need you to remain kind. Kasi konti na lang kayo sa mundo. Kayo lang. And I'm lucky to have you by my side. Love you. And I hope you enjoy your life. I'll see you soon, dude. Peace out.
I love you, Mommy.